So we are in lab 5.4.3 and we are going to configure NAT. So you are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. One of your assignments is to manage several computers in the demilitarized zone DMZ. However, your computer resides on the LAN network. To be able to manage these machines remotely, you have decided to configure your pfSense device to allow several remote control protocols to pass through the pfSense device using NAT port forwarding. So in this lab, your task is to create NAT forwarding rules, access the pfSense management console using the username and the password provided, and also allow the RDP/TCP. Alright, so let's just start up lab. Now, in case you find this video to be too fast, I apologize for that. You can always pause the video and walk at your own pace. So match every move I make, every step I take in this video so that you'll be able to get this right. So we'll just wait for the lab to load so that we can start up with our task. Alright, so this has loaded. We just input the details, the username and the password provided. So for the password, I will just copy and paste the password in. You can always type it in if you choose to, but because of time, I will just copy and paste. So we sign in and we go to firewall and NAT, and then we go to add, and then the interface, we change this to LAN, and for the protocol, let's say for the destination, we're going to change this to LAN address. The destination port range, we're going to change this to let's see. Okay, we're going to change this to MSRDP, and for the redirect target IP, we're going to change this to 172.16.1.100. I will just copy and paste. You can always type it in if you choose to. So we just copy and paste in here. So for the redirect target IP, this is going to be, let's see, this is going to be MSRDP. For the description, let's say the description given. For the description, this is going to be RDP from LAN to PC1. So we just copy and paste because of time. We go ahead and save. Apply changes. Go to add. And scroll down. Interface is going to be changed to LAN, and the destination, we're going to change this to LAN address, and for the destination port range, it's going to be scroll down. So for this, it's going to be SSH, and for the redirect target IP, we're going to copy this IP address and paste it in here. So for this, we're going to select SSH, And the description, let's say the description given here, the description given. So we just copy and paste SSH from LAN to Kali. So let's just copy and paste because of time. All right, so we'll go ahead and click Save. We click Apply Changes. And for this, we're going to change this to LAN. I scroll down. Destination, we're going to change this to LAN address. Destination port range. Let's scroll down and see what we're given. But the port range is going to be port 5151. So we just copy and paste it here. And redirect target IP. For the redirect target IP, this is going to be 172.168.1.5. So we just copy and paste because of time. So copy, we paste in here, and then for the redirect target port, we're going to change this to, let's just scroll down. We're going to change this to MSRDP. And the description, for the description, we're going to change this to, let's see. So we just copy this and then we'll paste it here in the description area. So we'll go ahead and click Save. Alright, so we apply changes, and I guess that is all for this lab. Now, if you find this video
busy with health challenges, work, or family issues, we help students handle labs, coding, quizzes, discussions, and assignments while you focus on life. Our expert IT tutoring support helps you reduce stress and achieve A+ grades in your tech courses. Message us on WhatsApp now, +234 8122948229.